Okay, so, Fruit Explosions, episode 3. Turns out my dad wasn't really that mad. So, today we're doing an apple. And as you can see, this apple is huge. So, those are the remains of our other ones. But this one is gonna be fun. Alright, let me get you closer. Ready, go. Oh crap, I forgot apples were that tough. There it goes, rolling away. Made a little sound. Alright. Oh, boom! These apples really roll around. Got the whole side of it off pretty much. Let's just lay it down now. Boom. Jeez. Alright, let's do the biggest one. See if it breaks through it and stuff. Doesn't roll. Let's try the other side. Oh, I broke through it again. Soon this whole table's gonna be broken. Oh my gosh. This apple. There, that's good. One more. Hey, alright, you know what? Good enough. Apple explosion, everybody.